Well, I just had a closer look at this, and all the voltages that appear on this power supply connection to the SSB are all correct. Strangely, the PS on line at the top there, I was expecting that to have a voltage on it from the SSB to turn the power supply on. But in fact, the only time that has anything on it is when you unplug the mains or switch the mains off, and then suddenly there'll be about 3.3 volts appearing on that pin, but that is coming from the power supply rather than the SSB. Everything else checks out just fine. I haven't checked the voltages under there yet. I can't even read what they are without some light on it. But when you switch this on, the power supply voltages all come up to the correct level. VS is 205, VA 58, and they are all there for a split second, and then they just die off. The relay clicks obviously when you turn this on. Well, let me fire it up. You'll hear it. Yeah, relay's energized. Volts go up to where they should be, and then just die off. The only other indication of anything is the LED on the T-Con board is just sat there flashing away. Actually, that's flashing faster than it was. You know, I have a horrible feeling that this set's just come on. It was flashing much slower than that. Let me just have a look around the front. That would be right, wouldn't it? No, it's not. But I can hear buzzing now, so that's interesting. Yeah, I am hearing buzzing now from the YSUS. That light is flashing much faster. I think we're just going to have to check a few voltages. I should have put the camera in the tripod. I'm just going to check the VS. Now that is actually high, so I'm guessing that that is offload because the ZSUS perhaps is not working. The VA is spot on. 15 volt is spot on. Let's have a look at this power supply on pin whilst this is working. So yeah, in fact there is no voltage on that PS on pin. Just going to see if this will go to standby. I'll just stuff that in the VS. See if this will go. Well, it's certainly not switching off with the remote. Let me see if I can reach around and touch this the standby button. Okay, we're getting no response from the buttons on the front, and I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but if I go and look in the mirror, if I press the standby button, you can just see the red light flickering on the front of the set. Now, well, that's really weird. Not quite sure what to make of that. We have heat in the YSUS heat sinks. Actually, I think we've got heat in the... Yeah, we have. We've got heat in there as well. But we definitely... Oh, let me just check that screen again. We definitely have no illumination of the screen. So, yeah, interesting one. Strange that it started after a few attempts. Yeah, right, more later.